So this is the Koorui. I don't know how to pronounce that, to be honest with you, but it's a 27-inch monitor. Now you may be thinking, since this is a more budget display, that you may not be getting all that much technology here, but you would be mistaken, because this thing is a budget monitor with a lot packed in. First of all, it has a 4K display, okay, that is able to output at up to 60 frames per second, and it has DisplayPort, HDMI port 2.0, which means you can make the most of that display, 4K gaming at 60 FPS. Now, having only just purchased this myself, I can't yet speak to the veracity of the claims, but on paper, this sounds like an absolutely fantastic deal. Now, what I thought we'd do today is get this unboxed and go through the assembly process, see how challenging that will be, and then I'll make another video once I've had some experience with this monitor to actually share my thoughts on it. Okay, so a few bits falling out here, cables, the stand, instructions. We'll go through that. Let's get rid of some of this packaging here. And here is the monitor itself. I think I mentioned it's a 27-inch monitor, but you can get this in some other options as well, from 24-inch up to 32 inches, I believe. And a nice surprise, there's actually 2 HDMI ports along with the DisplayPort. I only thought there was one, so yeah, quite happy with that. And it also comes bundled with an included HDMI cable. What's interesting is the user manual gives you instructions on how to wall mount this, since it is Visa compatible. However, it doesn't give you any instructions for the mount that's included, so I guess we'll just wing that ourselves. So let's just get the camera into a slightly better position for you guys here. To be honest, it looks like everything clicks into place here without any screws, so that makes things a little easier. So that is going to go down onto here like that and click into place. Yep, very, very simple. Okay, so it looks like these 2 notches up at the top here will connect into these gaps just here. So I'll rest that just below those and then push the whole thing up. Yep, that's clicked into place. That is very stable. And if you guys can see there, we have the 2 HDMI ports, the DisplayPort, an auxiliary audio port, and the DC port as well for power. So I'll turn it around now for the big reveal here of this 27-inch 4K 60Hz display. I've got to say, the actual design of this is really nice. I do like that. There's a little bit of adjustability here in terms of tilt, so you can get this to your liking, but there's no height adjustability, which I didn't expect, so that's absolutely fine. So this is the 27-inch 4K monitor that I recently purchased. Looking forward to getting this actually set up in action. I'll bring another video with my thoughts on it once I've done so, but I hope this unboxing and assembly video has helped you guys, and thank you very much for watching.